Here's important information from the Health Law Firm.
With many Florida massage parlors under the microscope these days, licensed massage therapists and massage therapy assistants can find themselves under close scrutiny as well. You may find yourself dealing with a number of different legal matters, including disciplinary, credential, or licensing issues, and defending against malpractice claims. Board-certified health law attorney George Indest says if you receive a letter from the Department of Health notifying you that you are being investigated, this is a very serious matter. He advises you are not required to make any statement to the investigator. You do not have to send the investigator a copy of your resume, and you have a Fifth Amendment right to refuse to say or do anything that might incriminate yourself. This applies to administrative investigations. You spend a lot of time and money to get your professional education and your professional licenses. Don't give it all up without getting advice from experienced attorneys. The attorneys of the health law firm represent healthcare providers. They know how important the field of healthcare is to you. That's why they focus on helping clients protect their licenses, preserve their careers, and grow their businesses.
For more information, visit thehealthlawfirm.com.